I'm going to start this project off with 3 chunky stars from Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint 1 star red, 1 star blue, and 1 star white. And I'm going to do both sides. I'm not going to do this on camera because it's really boring for you guys to watch me paint. So you'll get the idea that I'm going to do each one a different color, and I also did both sides. Once I had them all painted, I'm going to take my red and my blue star and my scrapbook paper that I had cut out, and I'm going to cut the scrapbook paper into smaller sizes. So I'm just going to lay the star on them and then cut them into smaller squares that are easier to work with. So once I have that all done, I'm going to take my Mod Podge and I'm going to put a nice light coat of Mod Podge right on top of my stars, and then I am going to allow that to dry. Once it was all dry, I'm going to take my scrapbook paper and lay it on my stars and put my parchment paper on it, and I'm just going to use my little mini iron and iron that scrapbook paper on. I'm going to do the same thing to the blue star with the star paper. And just go over it a few times just to make sure that it's very well adhered. Once I have it all adhered, I'm just going to take my scissors and cut around the edges of the paper on both stars. And then I took a piece of sandpaper or my sanding block from Dollar Tree, and I am going to sand off the excess. I also kind of wanted them to have a rustic look, and that's another reason why I used the sandpaper. Once I had them all sanded, I'm going to take my little and stencil and my white star, and I'm going to use a very small amount of black paint, and I'm going to stencil my and right on to this white star. I just used a little sponge pouncer to do so with a very little bit of paint. Once I had it all stenciled, I'm going to take a smaller paintbrush and I'm going to fill in the little holes that are left from a stencil so you can see where the letters aren't fully connected or the lines aren't fully connected, and I'm going to fill those in. And I just use a small paintbrush just to make sure that that's all filled in, and it just gives it more of a finished look, at least I think. Once the stencil paint was dry, I just took and made a little bow from some Dollar Tree ribbon that I had on hand, and it was red and white, so I thought it kind of went perfect. And I'm going to glue that right where the little hole is on the white star. I didn't get to cover that with the scrapbook paper so you could see it. Then I had a little rusty star, and I added that to the center. And this is it. I think they turned out so cute. Stars and stripes. And I think these would look really cute staggered on like a tiered tray or just sitting on a shelf. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. I hope it inspired you to make one. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.